No,
lab.
your hands.
It's private.
No, I can fix it. I fixed it.
Okay. New items on the tech lab, but we're not gonna look at them yet. Don't look at the items.
Okay, this is like opening Christmas presents.
1. Oh, I see something.
Oh!
Oh yeah, wait, the zone
Yeah,
copier.
the zone copier.
Zone
Forgot, that was
Yeah,
revealed.
that's a new item. Okay. Nothing else new on here. What is there?
No.
No.
Hold on. Let me do some of my quests so I have more butt coin.
Okay.
Okay, wait, hold on.
They put outpost
Oh, wait,
here, but it's here. Wait, it's prop mall.
It's off of Prop Town.
Okay. It's where prop mall was.
Like, Prop Mall is already gone?
I mean, yeah, they
Seriously?
removed the.
Wait, hold on. No, wait, guys, don't go yet. Oh my gosh.
Why not?
Something new on Wiring Tech Web.
Oh yeah. Let's
I'm
look.
already done with that.
Oh, it's here. Vote broadcast. Yes, vote broadcaster.
Latch.
D-latch.
Let's go!
Yes.
One deep
That
latch,
actually
what?
is so cool.
Oh, D-latch. Whoa, that's cool.
No,
Any other things? No, I just don't know.
I guess we're just looking. Oh, chainsaw.
Wait, what's new? What's new?
Oh, that's cool.
What? Chainsaw? Chainsaw?
And that's
What
it.
the?
That's all they added.
What's it called? Construction site.
No, there's not.
Bruh.
Okay, wait. Hang on. Let's see. Is there anything new on the?
It's just construction site. Oh, there's ducks and music.
Yo, bro, what?
Oh, and this is dark purple now. That's all they did.
It's Sap Tag.
They added an achievement board.
Oh, they added blocks. Okay, they edited a bit.
Oh yeah.
Then,
Yeah,
oh,
they
wait,
added,
there's
like,
new zip lines.
props and stuff.
Yo, what?
You like
Oh my, wait, it is.
Why?
This is gonna be so
It's
useful.
not like it's a new thing. They barely added anything.
Holy crap.
I know, but like. Okay, fine. I don't think I kind of thought maybe it's not a
Yeah.
winter map because it's not weird out.
I think they just said
But
snow
the
biome
chainsaw
with
is cool,
dots in the message because there was they actually added something to snow biome.
Okay.
Normally you cannot use the chainsaw in the wild. You've made an exception to test the lab. Oh yep, that's exactly what it does. Tech web, no more tech web.
Oh wait, it's just gonna get you.
Holy!
Oh my god.
Wait, so then what does it mean? Like they're making an exception on it? Oh wait. What does it mean by they're making an exception?
Yeah, that's why
They added a new briefing.
Oh, my bad.
Bro! Okay, keep playground. This will be the leading block.
No, wait, hold on.
Sam, where did Sam go? Oh, Sam's over there.
Oh!
Yo, wait, what? How does? Oh wait! Oh wait! It only. Oh. So wait, honey, if I like copy.
Oh,
This.
what? That's
Aw.
so cool. What's it called?
Oh,
What's the
oh wait,
promo
you
code?
can't copy zones in wild.
Grab the corner things.
Yo, wait, how'd
it
you make
literally
it
just zone
bigger?
copy?
You took my thing.
How'd you make it bigger? Oh wait, you can like. Wait, that's sick. It's so funny.
Copy it.
No, it doesn't. Oh yeah, it does
There's
not.
Johnny right there.
Let me see how much knockback this does. Barely any.
Oh, okay, wait. Oh, wait, I think
pick
we
it
just
up,
did
it has,
that
like,
with
arrows.
the logic gates. And like this maybe? Yeah. Like all wiring blocks have that now. Like Luke, take this power block.
Yeah. Hey, wait, what? That's cool.
How does this work?
Okay, so now what does the? No, we need to figure out what. Okay, so.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay, wait, hold on. So. Chainsaw is a
Basically-
really cool gadget. I like it.
How it works is you can either do just this, or you can do both of them. But you can't do one. With this one. Okay.
Oh, whoa, you can like flip. Oh.
Look! Luke!
Oh.
Hang on, how does this work?
Vote. Oh wait, hold on. What? Has to.
I
That
mean, we
should be
can
a
try, but like, no.
I don't know what.
What? Okay. Oh,
what?
okay.
Did,
So that's
did you
why.
hear that? Wait,
It's a
hold on.
glitch button.
The button's not here.
Like some people don't have it, so it doesn't work. Cause that's, I'm pretty sure how it works.
Ugh.
Yeah, it's like sounds. Okay, no,
Yeah, wait,
it doesn't
there's
work.
new sounds. So, like the.
Now try play mode.
Oh wait, that's cool.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, wait, you can also
Oh
make
wait,
it
that's
be
cool.
like
Okay. Now no.
yes.
I was trying to
Also,
do
like
no.
in your thing, you can be like yes equals this
Oh, yeah,
instead
that's
of
cool.
like if it's not a yes or no question, but it's like a multiple choice question. You could be like yes equals this, no equals this.
Uh-huh.
like,
wait, what happens if
Every
it's a tie?
thing or something. Okay, I'm doing yes. Okay, so no goes over yes.
Okay, I'm gonna do no.
Let's try tie again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait. Wait, honey, you clicked yes, right?
Okay.
Okay. Because I clicked yes. No. Wait, maybe it's who.
I did yes.
Maybe it's the first vote. Possibly.
Okay, I think it's just automatically no.
Okay. Wait, honey, did you already vote? Oh. Okay, so.
Because then, like, you can do the question again.
Yeah, because, like, ties don't.
Oh, wait, I think I
camera
know what that is. Yeah, okay. So basically, third on that,
Right?
like, maybe... Yeah, rather than it facing me, it faces the target.
Huh?
Yeah, it's in the camera section.
Yo, honey, is that in, like, the.
like, yeah, I'm
like,
over
that's
there,
sick.
but the
So, like-
camera. Or wait, I
so, like,
guess
you-
because
oh my-
FPV got over. Yeah, because that's. Oh, the ball. I don't think the ball.
Wait, I
does.
wonder if it shows up on camera.
Because that would be stupid. I hope it doesn't. But we can't really test
Okay,
that.
good.
There will most likely be new pets, but we don't know that yet.
I mean,
Because there's a monkey in the files with monkey noises. And they teased like a thing. It says like wombats poop square, like cube of poops. So they might have pet pooping. I don't know. That's kind of just it.